All right, guys, so we got a 2020 Honda CR-V. We got to do a full inside with pet hair removal and just a regular exterior wash. And this one, the headliner in the front of the car is bad. And I like to take these videos so I can show everybody, see? Right there, right there, this right here, and there. And then you can see the beige. This is what's gonna be the challenge, is trying to do the beige colors, because beige get bad. Remove all this, get all that in there, really good. The door is open. I'm gonna be using the customer's electric today. Yes, I got my generator, but because of the time frame and how long I'm gonna be here, we're gonna just run their electric. They just moved the car out of the garage so I could get in there and plug in my wire. But anywho, you can see the seats are bad. Pet hair. So this one's gonna be about, we quoted this one on 600 for this one. Full interior with the exterior wash, which is, it was gonna be a little more than that. Because when they asked me to work with them, I will. No problem. Then I'm gonna come over here. And go on this other side here. Let's go to this side. And then this part here. This part here, this part there, there. I'm about to give her a brand new car. This is for his wife. I'm gonna make it brand new for her. I cannot wait to finish working on this car for her. It's gonna blow her mind. I'm gonna open up that roof so I can get more light in here. Then the outside wash, door jams. We're gonna get the there's a few scuff marks here. I'm just going to address it for them while I'm washing it. Get the wheel wells right. Let's get these wheel wells right. Rims and tires. There's bugs out here. Address these buggies. We're just doing a wash, exterior wash, but I'm just gonna just probably clean it up really nice for them. Get wheel wells right there. Trim, paint, scuffs. Looks like tar to me. Got another scuff right there. Door jams. Now let's turn this car brand new. Let's make it brand new, guys. We right here. I'm gonna pull over to the side so I could run the electric. I'm just gonna pull it a little closer this way, and we're good to go. Let's go. That up next. We are officially done. Look how beautiful this interior came out on this car. Look how beautiful it came out. Amazing. Full interior detailing. These panels were so bad. Look how nice this car came out inside. These are the results you get when you contact Fred's Mobile Car Wash in Tampa. This is what we do. We are specialists in interior detailing. We do exterior detailing as well. But everybody sees our work. I just gave it a regular hand wash outside just to make it nice. But look at this, man. There was a whole bunch of stains on the roof too. I was able to get most of them off. Not all of them. But you guys know how beige interior work. This thing had major stains everywhere. Literally everywhere. There were bugs everywhere. There were stickers I took them off inside the car. Look how the exterior came out. Removed all the bugs for them. There was some scarf marks. I went and just took them off. And